Hello guys, we're here at Mall of Asia with my bro. So first time niya dito sa Mall of Asia. So guys, lag-lag lang sa amin diri. So right sa road. Nataag og so right. Let's go. Diyan ka lang tayo, be. Dito lang. Nandito lang. Picture lang tayo. Ano? Yan, yan. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, ganyan ka, ganyan. Parang ganun. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Diba? Hey guys, we're at, MOA, Manila. Maganda talaga, tingnan mo. Dito sa maganda. Yan, namin kami. Tara, tayo. Let's go, people! Yan. I like it. Really so good. Tapos mamaya pag mamaya lobat na naman tong cellphone na to. Kasi gala lang ng gala. Ay, ako wala ko palang picture dito. Picture naman dyan. Ha? Dito lang ipindot mo yung white. Yung white na ipindot, huwag yung red kasi naka-video pa yan. Marami. 1, 2, 3. Lihat. 1, 2, 3. Hello mga may amigos, so welcome to MOA of the Skies with my little bro. So igagala ko lang siya dito, itutour niya. Ako po ngayon ang tour guide niya. So we'll just tour him around here in MOA since it his first time niya po dito sa MOA by the Bay, which is Mall of Asia. So yan, let's tour him around and hope that mag-enjoy siya. Alam nyo ba guys na nailang ako dito mag-video dahil nga lang yun na naman, although I'm a video content creator pero mahirap pa rin pag nag-video ka na mag-isa ka or with your bro. It's a lot, mas maganda siya pag marami kayo. Anyway, let's start the tour. And then aside sa football field, meron din tayo doong like entertainment hall at saka Hey guys, welcome to MOA, and that's lakas maka-cinematic dito eh. Lakas maka-cinematic dito yung area na. Promise. Ayan, football field here in MOA.
Ano po?
Gala tayo. everyone, we're here at Move Sky and ito po yung partially part of it. We went to football field, it's my bow, and yeah. Ayun. Alam ko meron ditong parang area na puro lang, makikita mo siya na parang galaxy something, I forgot kung saan yung banda. Dito lang din sa taas eh. Could be here. Could be here with that. It's gonna be somewhere else. And the good thing about it is this. Parang red carpet. Yung dating. Eh? Okay. Hi guys! Welcome to Wow the Sky. So, ayun, lakad-lakad lang tayo kasi masyal with my bro. Let's go! Let's go! Go! Live ka lang dyan. Ayan, walking with the carpet. The red carpet daw to.
Kinamiyas kami red red.
And then, di mo kasi mahanap yung ano, yung parang garang.
Para lang sa duta pero arang wala ito na kababa.
Ayan, dito na tayo. Football field. Ana. Thanks. Ayan. So, I don't know. I can't put my camera inside, so ayan lang. Okay, see ya. Ayan, may nakita ako dito ang hanak. Anong tawag nito? Ants. Nahihirapan mag-adjust yung camera sa ano. Since it's my bro's first time here in Manila, so i-try na din siyang isakay sa MRT station or sa train or sa bagong and see the experience. Let him experience how it look like na sumakay ng MRT, although it's his first time po. Hi everybody, look at that. Diba parang siyang wave? Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Nasa BGC po tayo. Nasa BGC. Guys, may icon na malaki, super. Shit, naka-on pala yung... What is it? Oh guys, so long to BGC. Welcome to BGC. Tayo ka dyan, Bek. Tayo ka dyan. Picture na kita. Hey, hello. So you wanna take a photo?
Very good, thank you. Next.
Cheers. Take a photos down sa the card and yeah, share it. I'm Mars. Hello guys! And my bro. So I'm here at Tinaguriang Beach, New York, beach ng Manila, ng Philippines. I don't think so. Ayan na siya! Masagana ni dire? BGC. The BGC. Ayan, wait, B. Diyan, tingin ka nga dito saglit. Nawala na naman. Alasiga ron. Welcome to BGC. Malala Bro. Right there. So, just rolling around. Yeah, see ya. Hey guys, let's go. Tara. Gusto mo dito? Dito, maganda.